Basically, this is a double card chain, yeah, just like a twin chain. But the difference is with this chain, you can not only use it for a double chain, but you can also use it for a single chain. And I will start with a single chain. So you just have a card selected. I just pick a card. Okay, sample this card, and you just turn it face up on top of your deck. After that, you just slide, just do a double lift, and just slide it about here. Okay, this is double, so you just tilt the next card. Okay, so here do double lift, slide about here again, and you can hold it for a moment with your thumb. After that, you just pinch, okay, the edge, and bring this card in the low position. And after that, the move is simple. All you do, you just flip the card like this. That's the basic. But when you slide, okay, here you bring this card, okay, until the bottom, and when you flip, the card, you just separate, okay, you just separate and still hold the final card, okay, and just continue the move, okay, by slide the final card like this. Okay, so here slide, okay, reach and bring low, okay, you just flip and just separate the card, okay, let the first card drop and just continue bring this card so that you can come back and show it like this. So in normal speed, so like this, okay, pick a card, okay, put it face up on top of your deck. Remember, do double lift, slide, and just flip like this and just turn over. That's for a single chain. Of course, this card can be examinable. Now for our double chain, you just take any two cards that you want to use. Okay, you can use any card. Example, I will use two ace. Okay, like this. Okay, remember, you can use any two card. All you do, you just put these two card, okay, on top of your deck. Okay, and just pick a card as usual and turn face up on top of your deck. After that, you just slide by doing a triple lift. Okay, slide. Okay, remember, because these two, you just slide these three card like this. Okay, after that, okay, here just slide and you just turn over the next card and showing like this. After that, you just do exactly the same. You just flip this package, okay, flip and just separate at the same time here and do like this. Okay, so in normal speed, so like this. Remember, just place this two card, okay, on top. Okay, just pick a card, turn face up, okay, do triple flip, slide, okay, and turn over the next card. Remember, this is ready, and just execute the chain. It's look like this. Okay, after that, you just can turn over and take the top card, and you can cleanly show this final card. And of course, you can hand out this for examination.